How to watch live football on YouTube TV in HD. Step number 1, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app on your device. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Step number 3, sign into your YouTube TV account. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in with your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 4, set video quality to HD if necessary. YouTube TV automatically adjusts video quality based on your internet speed and device capabilities. Ensure you have a high-speed internet connection, minimum 5 megabits per second for HD, to stream in HD quality. On some devices, you may be able to adjust video quality manually in these settings if needed, though YouTube TV typically defaults to the best possible resolution. Step number 5, search for live football games. Use the search function to find live football games or browse the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 6, start streaming in HD. Select the football game you want to watch and it will begin streaming in HD on your device. YouTube TV streams most content in 720 or 1080p HD depending on your internet connection and device.